Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to learn about the sun. Do you know, kids, what is sun? Children, the sun and the moon are the signs of Allah. Without the sun, life would not be possible. Allah made the sun strong and bright, but still it listens to Him. Do you know, kids, what is the importance of sun? The sun never forgets its time to rise and set. The sun gives us morning so we can wake up and pray Fajr. Kids, with the sun's heat, plants grow, fruits and vegetables become ready. The Quran tells us that the whole universe, sun, moon and stars prostrate to Allah. The Quran says, do not bow to the sun or the moon, but bow to the Allah who created. When we see the sunrise or moonlight, we should say Subhanallah. These creations remind us that only Allah deserves worship.
Al-Kabeer Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabeer Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.